Assalamualaikum 7th class. I'm your science teacher Miss Iram Hassan, and for today lecture we are going to study unit number 4 water and sound waves from page number 52 to 67, and the main topics we will be covering are sound, how sound travels, sounds are waves, longitudinal waves, and speed of the sounds, high and low, loud and quiet. So first of all, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which travels from one place to another place, and our ears are able to detect this type of energy, and that's how we can hear what is going on around us. Sound is made up of the vibrations, and these sound or sound waves are formed by objects vibrating. It means when an object vibrates, sound is produced. For example, when in a guitar its strings vibrates, the sounds are produced. For a parrot, its vocal cord vibrates, then it produces sounds. That's how they produce sounds, and we are able to hear these sounds. How sounds are traveled? For traveling sounds, you should clear this out. Air molecules must be present in the surrounding, and without air molecules, sounds cannot travel from one place to another place. The sound is carried out to our ears by vibrating molecules in the air. Like sound vibrations in here, the sounds of your voice vibrates the can, and this causes the strings vibrate, and our ears collect these vibrations and send these vibration signals to our brain, and that's how we are able to hear the sound. Now, how sounds travel? Like in that case, strings of the guitar vibrates. An object makes a sounds by vibrating, and now the vibration passed through the air. The vibrations pass through air by making air molecules vibrate, and these vibrations are picked up by the ear and send these signals to our brain, and then these signals are transferred into the form of energy, and we can able to hear the sound. Sounds as a wave. Now, what are longitudinal waves? Sound waves are longitudinal waves actually. In the previous lectures, we have already discussed about two types of the waves, that are translational waves and longitudinal waves. When movement of the particles is parallel, to the transport of the energy, this type of the waves are longitudinal waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. The main terms are compression and rarefactions and wavelengths. Now we will discuss about these terms. When air in front of the vibrating objects, any vibrating objects, it is compressed, then this is caused compressions. When air is compressed, squeezed, okay, so this is compression. Rarefaction is when air in front of the vibrating object is spread out. Look at this, it is not compressed, it is relaxed. So this is called as rarefactions. Compression, when air is compressed, where air is compressed, और rarefaction जबकि air compressed ना हो, spread out form में हो. Next term is wavelength. Wavelength क्या है? So the distance between any two compression or any two rarefaction is wavelength. Next is echo sound. Echo is the reflection of the sound, reflected back. The sound is reflected back to the arriver, to the listener, but with a delay of some seconds, and this delay is known as echo sound. An echo sound is a sound that is repeated because the sound waves are reflected back. Pitch and frequency. The pitch of a sound means how high or low the sound is. कितनी ऊंची और कम आवाज है किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की, वाइब्रेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट की, is known as pitch. Frequency. The frequency of a sound is the number of the sound vibration set up in seconds. It is measured in hertz. Hz इसका यूनिट है. Loudness क्या है? The loudness of sound increases with the amplitude of the sound's wave. कोई चीज मतलब जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रही है उसकी आवाज कितनी ऊंची है, लाउड है या क्वाइट है, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द साउंड वेव्स. हाई एंड लो, लो, लाउड एंड क्वाइट, ये आप इस ग्राफ से इजीली मेजर कर सकते हैं. इफ द एम्पलीट्यूड इज लो, क्वाइटर, एम्पलीट्यूड इज हाई, लाउडर, लोअर पिच एंड हायर पिच. जितनी ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी वेव्स होगी दैट इज लोअर पिच, हायर पिच ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है. 1 2 3 कितने साइकिल्स हैं, जबकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक है तो दैट इज लोअर पिच. और क्वाइटर लाउडर का क्या है? एम्पलीट्यूड पे डिपेंड करता है. एम्पलीट्यूड लो है क्वाइटर, एम्पलीट्यूड हाई है तो लाउडर. एंड वेव इक्वेशंस, वेव इक्वेशंस क्या है? v into f multiplied by lambda. v velocity wave speed, velocity, frequency into hertz और wavelength measured in m. so ये इसका यूनिट है और फॉर्मूला है v is equal to f into lambda. now questions पेज नंबर 58 पर जो है, हाउ डू ह्यूमंस एंड अदर एनिमल्स डिटेक्ट साउंड एनर्जी? ह्यूमंस एंड अदर एनिमल्स डिटेक्ट sound energy by their ears. How are sound made? Sounds are made when something vibrates. For example, hammer strikes the bell to make it vibrate and ring. और जो डॉग्स हैं बार्क करते हैं, कैसे बार्क करते हैं? जब उनके वोकल कॉर्ड्स वाइब्रेट करते हैं. सो कोई भी चीज वाइब्रेट करेगी, इट प्रोड्यूस साउंड. Name one example of a source of sound what that has vibrating strings. Guitar that directly vibrates the air. Flute. Explain how dog produces a bark. When a dog barks, its vocal cords vibrate. अब वही vocal cords डॉग की बार्किंग में भी और हम ह्यूमन बींग्स भी जब बोल रहे हैं तो हमारी भी vocal cords क्या है? वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं. That's how we produce sound. Test yourself, page number 59. Describe how sound is heard when a drum is hit. When a drummer hits a drum, the drum skin vibrates rapidly up and down. Vibration हुई उसमें. The vibrating drum skin makes air molecules vibrate backwards and forwards. Again वही चीज है कि air molecules present होंगे तब ही वो vibration एक जगह से दूसरी जगह travel करेगी. These molecules affect the molecules next to them. The sound spreads out in a split of seconds. All the air molecules will be vibrating. We hear the sounds when the air inside or ears start to vibrate or eardrums. So basically sound को travel करने के लिए air का presence होना बहुत जरूरी है. What evidence is that that the sound travels through gases? Sound is carried to our ears by vibrating molecules in the air. Liquids के through कैसे liquids में कैसे travel कर रहा है? Dolphins communicate करते हैं by sending out high-pitched squeaks and clicks which travel through the water. Solids में sound कैसे travel कर रहा है? When we hit a part of a table, another person on the other hand of the table can listen to the sound. That's the evidence. Explain why sounds cannot travel in the vacuum. Vacuum में sound क्यों travel नहीं करता? Because in vacuum there is no air. Sound cannot travel through the vacuum as there is no medium air is present. What are sound waves? Stretches and squishes spread through the air leather like ripples on the pond when you throw stones into the water. These are sound waves. In sound waves, what is the distance between compression called? Wavelength is distance between two compression or two rarefaction. अभी जो wavelength की definition बताई थी मैंने. What is a longitudinal waves? The waves in a string and sound waves are called longitudinal waves. How are sound waves different from the waves in the sea or the ripples on earth? Sound waves are different as their vibration move backwards and forwards, not up and down like waves on the sea. ये difference है दोनों में. Page number 61 पे जो questions है, what is the approximate speed of a sound? So in the air, the speed of the sound is about 330 meter per second. Although this can vary depending on the temperature. The sound travel at the same speed through all the materials. Sound travels at different speed in different materials. In general, it travels faster in liquids than in gases. It travels fastest of all in the solids. In thunderstorm, the thunder is made at the same time as lightning. Explain why a person 100 meters away hears thunder about 5 seconds after seeing the lightning. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Sound is much slower than light. So you hear the bang after you see the flash. What is an echo? Walls and other hard surfaces reflect the sound waves. When you hear an echo, you are hearing a reflected sound a short time after the original sound. वो echo है जो लेट आपको आवाज आती है, that is actually echo, reflected sound. What is an echo time? A girl is sitting 80 meters away from a wall. Each time she hits the metal bucket, she hears an echo 0.5 seconds later. This is an echo time. Calculate the speed of the sound in the examples of the echo. Use the formula speed. ये आपके पास ये जो टाइमिंग दी हुई है 80 meters and 0.5 seconds, तो वो डायग्राम में दिया हुआ है, ये वहां से पता चला. सो स्पीड क्या फॉर्मूला क्या है, इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस डिवाइड बाय, ये डिवाइड का साइन है, डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. स्पीड इज इक्वल टू 160 डिस्टेंस था डिवाइडेड बाय 0.5. स्पीड कितना है 320 मीटर पर सेकेंड. टेस्ट योरसेल्फ ऑन पेज नंबर 63. What is meant by pitch? Pitch of the sound means how high or low the sound is. It depends how rapidly the sound producer vibrates. Frequency of the sound. Frequency of the sound is the number of the sound vibration set up in 1 second. वो जो cycle नहीं था, that is actually frequency. The frequency of the drum note is 20 Hz. What does it tell you about the drum skin movement? It tells us that drum skin vibrates 20 times per second. 20 Hz का मतलब ये है कि वो 20 times उसने vibrate किया. When drum is hit hard and then softly, how does the volume changes? When drum is hit, sound volume is high, and when it is hit softly, volume is decreases. How does the amplitude changes? When the drum is hit hard, louder sound is produced. With larger amplitude, when hit softly, amplitude decreases. And what is the wavelength of the sound with the frequency of the 330 Hz? Take the speed of the sound in the air to be 330 meter per second. तो speed कितना है 330 is equal to, फॉर्मूला क्या था वेव इक्वेशन का, speed is equal to frequency मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है, ये मल्टीप्लाई का साइन आपने करना है, यहाँ था नहीं इस वजह से मैंने ये किया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय वेवलेंथ. सो स्पीड कितनी है 330, फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है 330 हर्ट्ज और मल्टीप्लाई बाय वेवलेंथ. सो वेवलेंथ यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई, ये 330 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहां जाके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो वेवलेंथ इज इक्वल टू 330 डिवाइडेड बाय 330. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 1 मीटर. वेवलेंथ इसकी कितनी है 1 मीटर. दैट्स इट. आपने जितने क्वेश्चंस हैं अपनी कॉपीज पर लिखने हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.